Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up, which means I sell Stampin' Up products. And today is There's a Card Thursday, and I want to show you this great card with the free set, Party Pandas. What we're going to need for that is we're going to need, of course, the Party Pandas, the free set. We can use teeny tiny wishes for the inside. I'm going to leave this one blank. This is a Happy Valentine's Day that I made for my daughter. What we're going to need is we're going to need the basic black archival and the real red Stampin' markers from the Bright Markers. What we're going to need in the way of cardstock is we're going to need a 4 1/4 by 11 inch real red. Then we're going to need, Pink Pirouette, 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. And we're going to need a couple of pieces of scrap of Whisper White and a scrap of real red. What else we're going to need is we're going to need fine tip glue pen, stamping dimensionals, and of course the glue dots. We're going to need a 1 3/4 inch punch and a 1/2 inch punch and a 3/4 inch punch, 3/4 inch and 1 3/4 inch punch. We're going to need the Big Shot, and we're going to use the Seaside embossing folder. Plus you're going to need really sharp snips or scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp on the scraps the 3 bears with the black archival. I'm going to go there. Go there. Lets me. There. Let me just wash this off. Remember, with the black archival, you need the stamping mist to get it really clean, and even then it doesn't get that clean. It kind of stains it on. Black archival is for the watercoloring. Okay. Gotta get that bear on there. I love the panda bears. I really do. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take with your marker, your real red marker, you're going to color in that balloon. And I am sure a panda bear would not have a latex balloon nor a mylar balloon, because they're dangerous if they get away for the animals. But and then what we're going to do now is we're going to take our fine tip glue pen over the sound of my husband drying his clothes, and we're going to put that down there, just like that. What we're doing is, we had Crystal Effects, and the fine tip glue pen is just like Crystal Effects. We're putting a sheen on this. And we're just going all the way around that, okay? And then we're going to set these aside to dry, okay? So we're just going to set these aside until that, and it takes a little bit for that to dry. Now what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to take the real red scrap and the Love Ya, and I'm going to put that right there. Then with 3/4 inch punch, I'm going to punch that out. Okay, and then I'm going to take the 5 1/2 by 4 1/4 and run this through the Seaside. and we get something like this, okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 1 3/4 and I'm going to punch out 3 punches. Just like that, okay? And from one of these, I'm going to punch out a 1-inch circle so I can layer the love ya on it. No need wasting paper, wasting cardstock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some glue dots and I'm going to put that on those. Where's the glue dots? There's one. So I got that right there. Okay, and then what I am going to do is I'm going to fold this in half. Okay, and then I am just going to glue the corners of this with glue dots because I need it to be a little flexible because I need to get in there and put the bears in there, okay? Because you're going to slide the bears in those circles. You guys think I'm talking like Betty Davis. Well, finally got my voice back after 6 days. So, okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to cut them out. But since you really don't want me to sit here and fussy cut all that time, I've already done that. So what I want to do is I want to put this bear right like that so it's sitting in its window. So I'm going to take a couple glue dots on the back side of this bear and I'm just going to slide him into this opening right here so he's sitting right on that. Okay, and I'm going to put my other 2 in these windows. So you just want to slide maybe 1 or 2, 3 at the most glue dots because you really want to get them in there. That's why you don't want to put the glue dots in the inside of that and just on the outside. And then I'm going to put a couple of glue dot or a couple of dimensionals on this. Now let's bring this down so you can see this. Yeah, just like that. And we're just going to put that right up there. And there you have it, a nice little love you, it could be thinking of you, Valentine's Day, even though that's gone by, or whatever you want to put inside that. And there you go, you have a really great little card using the free set Party Pandas. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.
If you wanna play, make it about a play.